My name is Will Sanders. I'm a helicopter pilot, and I also own a helicopter company called Colorado Vertical. We've been in operation since 2006, and we fly scenic tours mainly, Pikes Peak and Garden of the Gods. We have the fall colors coming up, where we take people up and show them the aspen leaves. Then after that, we show Christmas lights all through December. It's an amazing flight. And then during the summer, we have all the summer scenery at Pikes Peak. You know, the helicopter profession intrigues me. It's just an amazing thing to get to do. And I figured the only way I could do it and not have to pay for it was to start a company and get other people to pay for my flight time. We just don't get any negative comments. We have a fun product.
My name's AJ Doe. I'm going to go for a helicopter ride.
I tell you, the opportunity to ride in a helicopter and see the campus from up above, just something I wouldn't miss. I like trying new things. Anytime somebody gives me the opportunity to do something new that I haven't done before, I'm going to do it. I would recommend it for everybody. It's always good to try something new, and to see the campus from up high really gives you a whole different perspective on it.